Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically change like your voice settings on Discord so that it detects your voice. Go to user settings here and go to voice and video. Select the correct input device. I sometimes like have it on default or like another input device, and it won't detect my voice if I talk. As you can see, it won't it doesn't detect my voice. So I'm just going to select this one, same as output device as well. If you can't hear it, maybe it's in the wrong output device. You can also check your mic here, and you can also determine your input sensitivity. So just play around with it, but I usually just enable this one on, and just press let's check to check it. Hello. And it's going to play back your voice. I think it's because I'm recording, it won't play it back, but if you're on Discord, it will. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!